Hi guys, so today we're going to try a little experiment. I've taken both these frog molds and dusted them both with the exact same color mica powder. I used a blue one on the body and then a red one on the feet. So what we're going to do is, our little experiment is, we're going to fill one with clear resin and then we're going to fill the other one with black resin. I made the used a black mica powder. And so what we're going to do is we're going to find out how much difference in color the black will give compared to the clear. So this is a little experiment. Never done it before. So let's see where it goes. So we'll start with the clear first. I already pre-mixed all my resin off camera just so it wouldn't waste all that time. I'm sure by now you guys know how to mix resin. If not, you can go see some of my other videos where I've mixed resin for you on cam. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the clear and just fill this guy up. Pour it in slow to way keep the bubbles out. And we can always go back over it later with our long neck lighter just to pop any bubbles that rise to the surface. Just keep filling. The feet, they can be hard sometimes to fill. You might get a little over pour, but that happens. So yeah, we're just gonna see what happens between the two different colors. See how much difference there is between using clear resin inside your mica powders compared to using a colored resin. I'm sure we'll get a different result here, but I'll take responsibility for the test we're doing here. Never done this before, so we'll see what happens. All right, so let me grab a baby wipe here. I'm gonna wipe off my clear, put that off to the side. Grab a toothpick, just kind of push it into the toes to make sure it gets in there. Try not to scratch the mold. You don't want to leave marks inside your mold. Just encourage it to go into those little grooves there. All right, so the clear one's done. I have extra resin. I'll use that on another project. So we'll put this guy off to the side here. Now what we'll do is we'll take our black resin and do the same thing. Pour it in slow. Like I said, we'll see what kind of results we get from having a clear background to the dark background. Just keep filling. When I get to the feet, I kind of just let it drizzle in just to try and get some in there. It'll level itself out, and if you get any over pour, you can always pick it off later. All right, it looks pretty full. Put that off to the side. Well, maybe not. Maybe he could use some more. Fill them up all the way. Maybe that's just because my board might be a little crooked here, but we'll see. Yeah, maybe not. All right, grab the toothpick again and just encourage the resin to go into these little spots without scraping it. Wipe that off. And I just realized that that was my mistake. That I forgot to put on gloves. Always wear your PPE, always. I mean, I know sometimes you get caught up in the mix of things and you forget, but you should always make sure you have on your proper PPE, glasses, respirator, gloves, things like that. So what I'm going to do now is just going to take my long neck lighter and just go across the top and pop any bubbles that have rose to the top. Just kind of quick. You don't want to burn your mold. Never torch like Steve McDonald says. Always use a long neck lighter. So what we'll do is let these guys dry, and we'll come back in 24 hours and we'll see what the difference is between the clear and the dark. Hi guys, we're back. So it's been 24 hours. So I already demolded them just to save some time. Remember, we painted both the molds with the exact same color, but we used different colors on the inside. We went with a clear on this one and went with a black on this one. So we're going to flip them over and we're going to see how much difference the inside makes on them. So as you can tell, you still have the sparkle and stuff like that, but with the clear it's a lot different than it is when you fill it with black. And you can fill it with any color you want, but I just wanted to show you how much difference there was from using black on the inside to clear on the inside. And like I said, these are the exact same colors, as you can remember when I painted the molds. So you can use any color you want. I mean, you could use orange on the inside, green on the inside, which I've never done, which I might try. But like I said, you can tell how much difference the black inside makes compared to the clear. So there you go. Then I want to thank all my channel members. Please like, share, and follow. I want to thank everybody who's bought me a coffee. Without your support, none of this would be happening. So have a good one and see you for the next one.